Welcome back to Motor Minds, where classic style meets automotive history. If you love iconic rides, rare gems, and stories behind the most legendary cars ever made, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride through time. Today, we're talking about a true icon, the 1966 Volkswagen Samba. Also known as the VW Type 2 Deluxe or the 21-window bus, the Samba wasn't just a vehicle. It was a lifestyle, a symbol of freedom, adventure, and counterculture cool. The Samba was originally designed as a more luxurious version of the standard VW microbus. It featured extra windows, a sliding sunroof, chrome detailing, and a two-toned paint job that instantly made it stand out. With 8 panoramic skylight windows, it offered unmatched visibility and an open-air feel that made every trip an experience. Under the rear engine cover, the 1966 Samba came equipped with a 1.5-liter, air-cooled flat-4 engine producing around 44 horsepower. Now, that might not sound like much, but the Samba wasn't built for speed. It was built for the journey. Its reliable engine, combined with simple mechanics and robust construction, made it a favorite among travelers and road trippers. What really set the Samba apart, though, was its design. The split windshield, often called the splitty, gave it a face that was unmistakably Volkswagen. The large VW emblem on the front, flanked by rounded headlamps, made the Samba instantly recognizable. And the two-tone paint? Classic. It wasn't just transportation, it was a rolling statement. In 1966, some subtle updates were made, like improved gear ratios and updated electrical systems. But the heart and soul of the Samba stayed the same. It was still the bus that could carry your whole crew, surfboards on the roof, and dreams in the back seat. Today, the 1966 Volkswagen Samba is one of the most sought-after classic VW buses. Restored models can fetch 6 figures at auction. And it's no surprise, these buses aren't just machines. They're memories on wheels. For many, the Samba represents a golden age of road trips, beach days, and the spirit of the open road. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or just someone who loves a good story, the 1966 Samba is a piece of automotive history that deserves the spotlight. Thanks for tuning in to Motor Minds. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, drop a like, leave a comment about your favorite VW model, and share this with a fellow car lover. See you in the next video. Until then, keep your wheels turning and your engines running.